बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ चाहिए एक फोटोग्राफर के अंदर। This was unexpected because they are opening the original grave today.
अब सही आएगा, सूरज भी आएगा, सन भी आएगा।
Good morning, folks. Today is day 2 of the Agra filmmaking series that I'm shooting specifically at the Taj Mahal. Yesterday was a recce visit. I didn't shoot much intentionally because I was planning my composition for the day 2. Unlike yesterday, today I have a clear plan. I have two main objectives to be met. First is to shoot the Taj Mahal. Take a lot of B-roll shots. The second objective is to go to Dashera Ghat, which is a place very close by to the Yamuna River. You can hire a boat over there and you get really good perspective shot from the boat. That is plan 2. Now, if these two objectives are met, I am really happy because my time spent over here is completely worth it. Right now, the plan is to go and have lunch. I'm gonna search for a good place. Let's take a right turn from here. I have no clue where I'm going. I बहुत दूर आ गया हूँ. Thank God that even though it's sunny today, the temperature is cold. I think it's about 14 to 15 degrees Celsius. I walked so much and finally I'm here. I've ordered a veg pulao and a chai. I don't think so I'm gonna be able to eat this. Can't taste it. So इसके पहले जो रेस्टोरेंट गया पता नहीं क्या बना के दिया उसने. वो जैसे ही उसने प्लेट लाया मेरे को लगा कि कुछ तो अलग ही दिया है उसने. I mean it was the worst veg pulao of the century. Now I'm at this restaurant. I've ordered a veg pav bhaji. I mean a pav bhaji veg क्या होता है? Pav bhaji and chai. Please यार ये तो भी अच्छा हो यहाँ पर. That's my first chai of the day. I did this for Dylan. He knows exactly what I'm talking about. So we follow this food vlogger called Daily Max. And in all of his videos, he has this one recurring statement, which is, "This is my first day of the chai." So I was just quoting that. This is good. Let's try my pav bhaji. कल लग रहा था कि कल ज़्यादा इश्यूज है और कल ज़्यादा क्राउड है ऐसा लग रहा था. बट आई एम रॉन्ग. आज ज़्यादा क्राउड है बिकॉज अपेरेंटली आफ्टर 2 o'clock द पासेस टू एंटर ताजमहल इज फ्री. तो दुकानदार से भी बात हो रहा था. वो बोल रहा था कि लोकल क्राउड भी आज बहुत ज़्यादा होने वाला है. तो दैट इज़ नंबर 1 चैलेंज ऑफ टुडे कि क्राउड बहुत होने वाला है. एंड व्हाई इज दैट एन इशू फॉर मी? क्योंकि अगर क्राउड ज़्यादा रहेगा द शॉट्स विल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमन एलिमेंट एक्सेस में, जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए. क्योंकि क्राउड ज़्यादा होगा आई विल हैव टू वेट for the shot to be taken, and if I have to wait I will spend more time. तो 4 बजे तक का जो मैंने टारगेट खुद को दिया है वही मीट नहीं हो पाएगा. एंड आई कैन ऑलरेडी सी अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंटरिंग. तो कल का जो कंसेप्ट मैं सोच रहा था ना वो आज पॉसिबल ही नहीं हो पाता बिकॉज द फोटोग्राफर्स देमसेल्फ वुड हैव बीन अ लॉट बिजियर than usual. Let's look at the brighter side now. The lighting is good. There's no more mist. The temperature is very, very favorable. Let's show you the entrance. I think I should be taking off my cameras right now itself because I want to capture the entrance too. Why should I rush in? So I'll take off my cameras right now. I brought this, but I don't think so I'll be using it right now. I literally have only 40 minutes to complete most of the shots, which sounds like an impossible target. Today's goal is to shoot as much as I can. क्या कितना लोग हैं?
भैया प्रिंट के साथ में 60 रुपये का
एक फोटो. और मिनिमम कितना खींचना है?
कितना चाहिए आपको? 7, 10, 15, 20, 25.
So yesterday when I came, I didn't click any pictures of mine. So today I want my pictures to be clicked. So I'm approaching one of the photographers over here. ठीक है, खींचते हैं. भाई साहब ने पिक्चर्स खींची, बहुत अच्छी खींची। मैं यहाँ पर क्लिक करने के लिए 5 आया था, उनने 10 में कन्विंस किया और फाइनली 32 पिक्चर्स उनने दिए एट अ वेरी गुड प्राइस। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
यू वेलकम सर।
And from one photographer to another, I
Suresh
really
Kumar.
have Suresh Kumar. I have a lot of
Thanks so
respect
very
for
much.
him because he has to handle a lot of different crowds, and I could see that he has
Different
a good
language.
yes, different language, and I could see that he has good people sense. So
Thank you very much.
ये बहुत important चीज चाहिए एक photographer के
ये
अंदर।
I will also interrupt, and he also took my pic,
Yeah.
and very good behavior of this person.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you everybody.
so much.
Thanks. Lot of thanks. Thank you.
Okay, back to the job that I'm here for. Let's start shooting videos of the Taj. This is gonna be a task because literally there are double the number of people today as compared to yesterday. So वो तो एक challenge है ही. Everywhere that you see, there's no space left out because there are so many people over here. वो एक challenge है, but कर लेंगे यार. बस time ज़्यादा लगने वाला है. This was unexpected. There's a huge crowd turned up today because they're opening the original grave today, and that has attracted a lot of visitors, let it be localites or people from other states and other countries. This is a rare occasion, which is why there are many people over here. So my plan is to take a boat from there, that one, and from the boat I'll get a different perspective again of the Taj Mahal. I have completed shooting videos over here. भैया एक चाय दे। It's already 5:12. आज सुबह सुबह ही जब मैं ऐसे ही ब्राउज कर रहा था, a video got suggested about how to go to this particular place that I'm going to, and yes, I'm very close to making that happen. बहुत ज़्यादा थक गया हूँ यार, ठंड भी बढ़ रही है, बट करना है। पता नहीं आगरा कब नेक्स्ट आऊँगा मैं, तो आज ये सब कुछ जो भी टू डू लिस्ट में था सब पे टिक मारना है, ताकि घर जाके रिग्रेट ना हो कि यार पास ही में तो था, जाके कर सकता था, जाके फ़ोटो ले सकता था। वो रिग्रेट छोड़ना ही नहीं है, जाके करना है। द नेक्स्ट शॉट्स दैट यू विल सी विल बी ऑफ ताज फ्रॉम द यमुना रिवर।
अब सही आएगा, सूरज भी आएगा, सन भी आ रहा है।
This was hands down the best part of the Agra filmmaking trip. I have tick marked everything on my checklist. I am done. And just before this, I was feeling so tired, and after the boat ride, I'm feeling so calm. There was something in the Yamuna River that helped me relieve my stress. It was completely worth it. बस थोड़ा पुलिस का पंगा हो गया. पुलिस wanted all of the passengers in the boat to wear a life jacket. वो नहीं था वैसे. It's not that safe, but view बहुत मस्त है. So just keep that in mind. मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि ये हो पाएगा.
What is the name of your channel?
Edgar Braganza.
Edgar Braganza.
Yes.
Okay, I will see.
Thank you. So right now the plan is to go to Hippo Cafe, where I had gone last night. This is that place, Joey's Hostel. So the plan is to go to Hippo Cafe. I have to try. Oh shit! I've been saying Hippo for the last video. The Hippo Cafe. The Hippo Cafe. Went to Hippo Cafe yesterday. Okay, so guys, it's Hippie Cafe. My bad. Hippie Cafe. See, this is the entrance. The reason why I want to go to this cafe is because I want to see the view of Taj in the golden hour. Last night I couldn't see the Taj, but I want to compare it. I want to compare it with my hotel's view, which is coming. Hippo बोल रहा हूँ भाई कल से. Hippie Cafe. Yep. So compared to Hotel Kamal's rooftop view, I find this is way better than that view. So I ordered for some chicken fried rice, and I'm a digger when it comes to ordering chicken fried rice. I want it to taste in a very particular manner. Let's see if this meets the expectations. I wouldn't say this is the best chicken fried rice, but out of 10, I would give this 7. So this goes without saying that next time when I come to Agra, I am definitely booking a room at this place. So this was definitely a day well spent. मतलब सारे चीजें प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं गए, बट आई एम स्टिल हैप्पी द वे दिस डे पैन्ड आउट. 13-14 से कम ही है आज तो. बता रहा है गूगल पे इट्स 14 डिग्री सेल्सियस, बट इट फील्स लाइक 10 डिग्रीज. आई एम एंजॉयिंग दिस टेम्परेचर, आई एम एंजॉयिंग दिस वेदर बिकॉज आई लव कोल्ड क्लाइमेट्स. Scarf, jacket, and put my hands in the pocket and give myself the warmth in a cold environment. But ये सब पहनने नहीं मिलता मुंबई वालों को, क्योंकि उतना ठंडी कभी गिरता ही नहीं है. The links to all of the products that I'm using and the places that I've visited will be in the description below. And if you like these kind of videos, please do let me know by liking this video. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe to this channel.